they can't see us. Make them speak English.
Okay guys, welcome back to Alaskan Adventures. Today we try flying. Ready, set, fly. Oh, that didn't work. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel.
We're ptarmigans, not pigeons. STOP asking.
Bro, why is the wind bullying us?
Because we weigh 3 snowflakes and a French fry.
This camera is heavier than my entire body.
If I drop it, tell my family I tried.
People think we're majestic.
I tripped over air 5 minutes ago.
Being a small bird in Alaska is just survival mode. Every step feels like leg day.
Why is the ground so far down?
Because we're short, Kevin.
Snow just attacked the camera.
We're under assault by weather.
Big birds don't understand our struggle.
Eagles look at us like snacks.
Imagine being this small and famous. Tiny bird, huge attitude.
My feathers cost more than rent.
We don't even HAV rent.
Almost dropped the phone.
That was my life flashing before my eyes.
Predators everywhere.
Even the snow looks suspicious.
They still can't catch us.
If we fall over, just keep filming.
Like and subscribe if you're also tiny.
Or emotionally tiny.
This has been
2 very small birds.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
We're ptarmigans, not pigeons. Stop asking.
Why is the wind bullying us?
Because we weigh 3 snowflakes.